trying to meet up with our Jeepin' friends, but not sure where they are. They said 13 and 22. Oh, never been here before, so we're not sure where 13 and 22 is. But we're on road 13, so I'm assuming that might be trail 13. Now we're looking for 22.
There's 24 already.
Where?
Trail 24.
Behind us?
Yep, we just passed it. Wait a minute, so let me see. Freaking lost here now. I can't see shit with my glasses on.
But where'd you do with the reading glasses? Oh, you put them back on. I'll go up here where this opening is here. That it said it actually had 24 written on it.
Oh, they're going down in numbers. So that's okay. So 22 is going to come next.
It's up here.
Yeah, because it's 22, then it goes to 20.
It's a dry trail so far. Up with them.
Look at that monkey.
Oh yeah, I never seen one before. So on that trail back there, did it say 24?
Yeah, it said trail 24.
How come I never saw that? Well, we turned around, heading back out of here. Hopefully we can find where we're supposed to be at. If not, this will be a video on how to get lost in citrus. And we only have a half a tank of gas too. What trail is that?
Oh, don't worry about it, because you definitely got to be on the inside of the road. This is 24 and then 20. 22 is on the other side. That's why I
trail ride?
Just going on a trail ride at all? Oh, okay. Oh.
What What trail is that? Do you...
Oh,
it
okay.
isn't?
Oh, okay. It goes to a hard road.
It goes to, paved road.
Paved road with houses on it.
We're supposed to be meeting up with our Jeep group.
With the Florida's Trail Stompers. But we've got to be on the other side of the road. I just looked in the map. It's just like this here, and then it goes to an open road.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then where you have to turn, and Trail 13 goes on the other side of, if that's what you're looking for.
Yeah, so we're looking for 13 and 22.
And then, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, and then a quick left, because that's where